Hello, my name is Karun Kaushik. I am your technical expert advisor. Today I welcome you in Eastman Technical Masterclass. Today we will talk about the battery backup test. We have tested approx 10 batteries including Eastman with 9 different leading brands in the global market. All batteries were tested when the SOC is of 100%. And approx 4000 watt load was connected with these batteries until the low battery voltage protection get triggered. Let's look at the observations. We tested Eastman battery which have a nominal capacity of 14 kilowatt, model ES51.2 volt 280 Ah under a load of 4.2 kilowatt. It delivered a backup of 3 hours 15 minutes, giving an actual energy output of around 13.23 kilowatt hour. The performance was consistent and tremendous backup was given. The next brand is the brand B. The rating capacity is 15 kilowatt. The model is 51.2 volt 300 Ah with a load of 4 kilowatt. It provides 3 hours of backup, delivering about 12 kilowatt hour. However, when compared to its nominal rating, the battery found to be slightly underrated. Brand C rated power is 16 kilowatt, 51.2 volt 314 Ah, ran for 3 hours 39 minutes at a load of 4 kilowatt, delivering a backup of 13.56 kilowatt hour. Despite the higher nominal capacity, the actual delivered energy was lower than expected, so it was also considered underrated. Brand D, another 16 kilowatt 51.2 volt 314 Ah battery, gave a backup of 3 hours 26 minutes at a 4 kilowatt load connected, producing 13.04 kilowatt hour. Again, the performance was okay but below the claimed rating. Moving to brand E and brand F, both are rated at 15 kilowatt, model 51.2 300 Ah. These two performed similarly, each delivering 3.5 hours of backup at around 4.1 kilowatt load with an actual output of 14.35 kilowatt hour. Even though the performance was good, but were still marked as underrated compared to their nominal capacity. Coming to another brand G, rated at 16 kilowatt 51.2 volt 314 Ah. It delivered a solid 4 hours of backup at 4 kilowatt load, giving a full 16 kilowatt output. This battery rating was found to be accurate and reliable. Coming to another brand H, rated at 15 kilowatt, model 51.2 volt 300 Ah, delivered 3.2 hours and 12.8 kilowatt hour, again falling into the underrating category. The brand I, with a 16 kilowatt 51.2 volt 314 Ah rating, ran for 3 hours 25 minutes and delivered 13 kilowatt hour, which was less than expected. Finally, brand J, rated at 15 kilowatt, model 51.2 volt 300 Ah, provided a backup of 3 hours 45 minutes with a 13.8 kilowatt hour output, and its rating found to be acceptable. So as a conclusion, Eastman batteries consistently delivers precise benchmark level backup performance when compared with competitors, offers reliable stand-up power, well-defined capacity rating, long service life, and measurable performance metrics that match or exceed battery industry standards. Thanks for staying with us till the end of this video. Hope the information I shared will be helpful to you. Please like, share and subscribe for more such videos.
Eastman